another video today. Little minor updates with the coupe. Today we're going to be putting on that freshly painted new trunk and spoiler. We're going to go ahead and remove this one. It's kind of got some bike rack dents and rusting over. I'm excited about this piece because that piece is really clean. So this is like a crazy process. Looks like we just got to get this wiring harness out. 10s, 8s. What I'm pointing, yep. 8s, yep. And then maybe hatch and everything, you know, little minor accessories. But let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse. All right, good update. Got it off. I'm going to vacuum up real quick, clean these edges. Yeah, that thing's off. And props to the homie Leah. She caught this before we started taking this thing fully off. Like stressing on how to get this thing off. There's a plug that goes to that panel. It might be sitting just a little bit inside of here, but unplug that and you don't have to worry about taking the whole panel off. It was a good save though, because we were stressing. But yeah, old trunk is off, and we'll get a new one up there and add that spoiler up there too. What happened? How we get this out?
So there's a clip right here. You gotta take some needle nose and squeeze it, and then you gotta push it out. And then it has double-sided tape at the top. You just gotta pry it off. You know, it's just a little old.
Yeah. Came right off though. Well, a little bit of work, it seemed like, but yeah. Also, the new one. I know it's gonna get a close-up. This thing is clean. It is ready to go onto the back of this car, with also the spoiler to go with it. Nice and white. Yeah. So let's get it on. As you can see, like, anybody that's trying to install a spoiler bottom light, snake that mug and use some pliers to grab it when it's there. That little hole section saves a whole bunch of time. Yeah, it's pretty dope. Man. All right. Got some nice tins for it. Got it bolted down. Man, we're excited to put this thing on. Probably gonna leave some stuff off some of them panels. Probably gonna have to repaint them too as well to match that, because we are transferring from that one to this one. This is too clean, so we gotta get some cleaning done with that one. She also got the Honda badge off for us, thankfully. So I'm gonna clean that up too as well over there. But we're gonna go ahead and get this trunk on. Let's get it. So this thing looks good. Well, you know, I got.
Watch the cord.
Look at that. Yeah. Oh, fail. Oh, fail. Number 3. I gotta let you do it. Wait, it's probably
We gotta redo that. We gotta redo that.
Alright, look at this thing.
That was a little hard. But damn, it doesn't look good. It was deserving. Look at that.
It looks fucking great, bro. Hey,
It was so hard to shut the first 3 times we just tried.
Yo, the gas station heard that one right there.
I feel bad, dog.
I'm gonna get new taillights for the vehicle because I think that would be pretty nice. It's just brand new taillights. This car has not been washed since we got it. Day one has not been touched, washed, or anything. I think Joe cleaned it up at least one time with a rag, you know, a little bit, but this car has not been washed since we picked it up. And who knows since when the owners washed this thing in general, too. So, shout out to Leah for the really nice match, because when we like take this to the wash, get a good nice well wash, it's gonna like, it might even match this. It's gonna be crazy. So I'm hoping. But thanks for everybody for watching. Got any questions, leave it in the comments. Follow, subscribe. See you guys next.